Sevens and I hit her with the tone. Bounce back, 6-7s, wanna pistol on the slack. Get back, I know you will blast. Pull up in the track, track, on the strap. Put them on us on the rack. I got wrestles on the strap. Mother run down, main road. When I see a girl, you know I gotta give her all. When I see her, then I give her with that. Hey, I got one of wrestle with the wrestle getting fake. 21-7s, I've been running, getting raped. Tryna wanna slide, I wanna know I'm super late. Ain't got a plane, but I get up with that. Hey, ride, pull up with the ride. Hey, shoot ride, kill him with the ride. Hey, on side, I hit him with the style. Who's really rocking?
So this is the tent right now. It's split kind of half and half. I got my stuff over there, and then Saint's been growing food over here. We're gonna be splitting up soon. I'm gonna be moving the bonsai into a bigger tent, and Saint's gonna keep using this space. But this is the light. It's been doing well. I have it running about 16 hours a day. Yeah. I have the light tilted right now because it actually doesn't even fit in this tent. So I have it tilted, reflecting light off of that. And then I keep a plastic cover over the front so I could see my plants. That's really important to me. Why have bonsai if you can't look at them? But yeah, they're doing well. Everything's growing pretty well under this. It never gets hot. It feels almost like skin. Well, just a little warmer, but almost like that. And everything's growing well. This had no leaves on it a few weeks ago, and it's growing back strong. My Premna, I'm currently just growing it out because I'm trying to heal this wound right here. I'm trying to heal that. And it's been growing out for about 3 weeks now, and you can see the callus already rolling over. So this will be healed in no time. The more it grows, the stronger it gets, the faster it will heal. So it looks kind of ugly, but I've already wired it and styled it. You can see wire on this branch here. You can see wire right there. So this plant has been styled. It's just growing freely right now so that it can heal that wound and thicken up a little bit. I want the roots to fill up this section so that I could take it off. And in order to do that, I gotta let it grow vigorously. Yeah, I'll do a more in-depth update in another video.